Guys, today I'm showing how to pull out dents. This is the car I'm working on. It has a few of them. There's a small one here. And then another one here. That one is really stiff. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull it. And then the last one is here. You can see that one. There. And then the last one is in the back. The tool I'm using is the one from Amazon. It comes with several sizes, so I'm just gonna match each one for the proper size and try to pull it. So I got the glue ready. Right, so I got those things glued on where the dents are. The second one, third one, and the last one's here. Now we'll give it a couple of minutes and then we'll start pulling. Right, so I let it dry and now I'm going to try to pull it. That doesn't do nothing. Try the second one. Also didn't do anything. Alright, so the first glue stick was a complete failure. Basically this thing doesn't stick well or good enough to pull, so I'm gonna try a different glue. Alright guys, so the first attempt was a complete failure. I'm gonna try it again with the gun that came with the kit and the glue that came with the kit. So right, second attempt on this dent. See if this glue is better. It's a little bit better. Try the other side. Actually, this is also bad. Pathetic. And the last one. Yep, it's pathetic. Alright, so second try is a failure. So I'm gonna try the black glue. Alright, so my third test is gonna be with the black one. First and second tests were yellow, different kind of yellow. That came with the kit. Now I'm gonna test with the black one, see if it's stronger. So I'm gonna clean off everything. There we go. Let's try the black. Right, testing out the black glue now. Let's see how easy it is to float. Same shit. You can see it barely sticks. So actually the black glue is the weakest. This is the second one. Also not enough adhesion. That one stuck okay. That one actually stuck good. I'll check the dent in a bit. And here's the last one I'm trying to pull. Or did it stick at all? Right guys, so the glue that comes in the kit is junk. Didn't remove any dents, so that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe for more.